First we will calculate integration minus 2 to 2 mod of x and then greatest integer function dx. We know that mod of x is equal to x when x is greater than 0 and equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Therefore mod of x can be written as minus 2 to 0. That is, for negative we will write as minus x greater integer function dx plus integration 0 to 2 x greater integer function dx. And we know that greater integer function changes sign at every integers. So we can write this as minus 2 to minus 1 minus x of greatest integer function dx plus integration minus 1 to 0 minus x dx plus integration 0 to 1 x dx plus integration 1 to 2 x dx. Now we know that minus x from minus 2 to minus 1. Minus x will convert it to positive value between minus 1 to 2. Positive value between 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 and greatest integer function means you can say this as minus x from minus 2 to minus 1 will we give value from 1 to 2 of x and greatest integer function of 1 to 2 is equal to 1. So we can write this as one integration minus 2 to minus 1 dx plus minus x minus 1 to 0. This will again minus x means x from 0 to 1 and greater integer function of x from 0 to 1 is 0. So this is our 0 integration minus 1 to 0 dx plus for positive value we have greater integer function 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 it will give 0 again 0 to 1 dx plus and this will give 1 to 2 greater integer function will give value 1. So this will integration 1 to 2 1 dx. So if we calculate this integration then we will get x from minus 2 to minus 1 plus 0 plus x from 1 to 2. So this will be equal to minus 1 minus minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1 plus 1 and that is equal to 2. The proof for this is just draw a diagram. We have value minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. We know that area under the curve give area of the figure. Integration give area of the figure. So when x is minus 2 to minus 1 then y is our 1. Then y is our 1. So we have this value from minus 2 to minus 1. When x is from minus 1 to 0 then y is our 0. Then from 0 to 1 again if you say minus 2 to minus 1 y is 1 and minus 1 to 0 y is 0. Then again 0 to 1 y is 0 and again from 1 to 1 y is 1. So this is our area. So our total area is this. Now if you calculate this area then this is equal to this length 1 and this height is 1. In this also this height is 1 and this length is 1. So we have two rectangles, 1 cross 1 plus 1 cross 1, that is 2. And these two are same. Now we have to calculate integration minus 2 to 2, that is greatest integer function, and then mod. Again we know that greatest integer function changes sign at every integer. So we can write this as minus 2 to minus 1 greatest integer function dx plus integration minus 1 to 0 greatest integer function mod dx plus integration 0 to 1 greatest integer function mod dx plus integration 1 to 2 greatest integer function mod dx. Now we know that minus 2 to minus 1 greatest integer function. So greatest integer function from minus 2 to minus 1 will give value minus 2, and we have mod of this integration minus 2 to minus 1 plus integration of greatest integer function from minus 1 to 0 will give value minus 1, mod of this dx minus 1 to 0. Now integration 0 to 1 greatest integer function will value give 0 mod dx plus integration 1 to 2 greatest integer function will give 1 value dx. So mod of minus 2 will be equal to 2 integration dx minus 2 to minus 1 plus mod of minus 1 will give 1 dx integration minus 1 to 0 plus this is 0 to 1 dx plus 1 dx integration 1 to 2. So all this integration will give value 2x from minus 2 to minus 1 plus x from minus 1 to 0 plus 0 plus x from 1 to 2. So if we calculate this we get 2 minus 1 minus minus 2 plus 0 minus minus 1 plus 0 plus 2 minus 1. So we will get this 2 minus 1 2 then plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Now if we draw the figure for this, then we have this minus 2 minus 1 0 1 and 2, and minus 2 to minus 1 greatest integer function will give value minus 1, minus 2 to minus 1 greatest integer function will give value minus 2, and mod will give 2. So we have value positive 1 and 2. From minus 2 to minus 1 we have value 2. Similarly from minus 1 to 0 greatest integer function will give value minus 1, but mod will give plus 1. So we have this value. Then 0 to 1 we have 0, greatest integer function will give 0. From 1 to 2 greatest integer function will give value 1, and its mod is also 1. So this is our area. This is our total area. Now if we calculate this area, then this is 1, this height is 2, this is 1, this height is 1, this is also 1, and this is 1. So our area will be, total area will be 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So this is equal to 4, which is same as we calculated.